I occasionally get asked if I invest in crypto, and the simple answer is no. My name is Luke, I'm 21, and I'm focused on building long-term wealth. And for me, that means owning real companies through stocks and ETFs, not betting on coins that can swing 20% overnight. In this video, I'll break down exactly why I don't invest in crypto, what I prefer to do instead, and why that decision makes sense for where I'm at right now in my investing journey. Let's start with the obvious. Crypto is volatile. Prices can double in a week and then crash 50% the next, and for some people that's exciting, but for me that's not investing, it's purely speculation. When I invest, I want my money to compound steadily, not depend on whether a tweet or new regulations send the market flying, and this is because I'd rather build wealth through consistent growth than constant guessing. The stock market has over 150 years of data which shows long-term growth. We've seen recessions, wars, inflations, and still, quality companies and index funds have recovered and gone higher over time. Crypto, on the other hand, has been around for just over a decade, and it's still finding its place. There's no proven long-term trend to rely on, and that makes it a lot riskier for building wealth at my age, or any age at all for that matter. When you buy a stock or ETF, you own part of a business. Real companies, real profits, real products. When you buy most cryptocurrencies, you're not owning a business. You're owning a token that only has value because other people believe in it. And when you say it out loud like that, it really makes you think, should I be investing in crypto? Rather than something like a stock or a share. Another big reason I avoid crypto is the uncertainty around regulation. Governments and central banks are still trying to figure out how to handle it, and that means the rules could change overnight. One new law or crackdown could completely shift prices, whereas with stocks and ETFs, you're investing in a regulated market with strong investor protections, and I like the peace of mind. At 21, I've made it very clear that my focus is on long-term compounding, and that's why I invest in ETFs like the Nasdaq 100, as they give me exposure to hundreds of the world's top companies with lower risk and consistent returns. And yes, crypto might make a few people rich overnight, but for most people, they just end up chasing hype and losing money. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying crypto is evil or that you shouldn't own it. Some people do really well with it, and that's great. But for me, it's just not what I'm interested in right now. Maybe in the future, when it's stable and established, I'll rethink that. But for now, my focus is on the proven path of consistent investing in stocks and ETFs. So yeah, that's why I'm staying away from crypto for now. I'd rather build slowly, safely, and steadily rather than gamble on what might happen next week. If you found this video useful, please drop a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, do you invest in crypto or do you prefer stocks and ETFs like me? And yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.